betrayal, perception, and rebuilding reality. When Albert Einstein said, "The most important decision you make is whether you live in a friendly or hostile universe," he wasn't speaking to people who had never been hurt. He was speaking to people who had, because betrayal doesn't just hurt feelings, betrayal destabilizes reality. It makes you question what was real, who can trust. Was your intuition wrong? Were you wrong? For someone who has been betrayed, the world doesn't just feel unsafe, it feels unreliable. And that matters. Does betrayal shatter reality? Yes, and here's why. We build our understanding of life on implicit agreements. This person is safe. This bond is real. What I'm seeing matches what's true. Betrayal breaks that agreement. Suddenly, words no longer match actions, memories feel contaminated, and the past has to be reinterpreted. This isn't a weakness. It's a normal neurological response to having your internal map proven inaccurate. Your system isn't overreacting, it's trying to reorient. Is gossip betrayal? It can be. Betrayal isn't defined by the behavior alone. It's defined by broken trust and violated expectations. Gossip becomes betrayal when private information is shared without consent. Someone speaks about you instead of to you. The relationship implies loyalty, protection, or discretion. The pain comes from realizing someone chose social safety, power, or validation over integrity. That choice matters. The hard truth about the betrayer's choice: betrayal is not an accident. At some point, the betrayer faced a moment of decision: speak or stay silent, act with integrity or self-interest, protect the bond or themselves. They made a conscious choice. That doesn't mean they are evil, but it does mean they prioritize something over you. And here's the painful pivot. When someone else chooses betrayal, the betrayed person is forced into self-reflection they didn't ask for. You start asking, how did I miss this? Why did I tolerate certain signs? What did I believe about love, loyalty, or safety? This is where healing can begin, or where shame takes over. The emotional scale after betrayal. Shame says, something must be wrong with me. I should have known. I'm foolish. This is the most dangerous place because the pain turns inward. Blame. They ruined my life. I'll never trust anyone again. Blame restores power, but it keeps you stuck in reaction. Fear. This could happen again. People aren't safe. Fear narrows the world. Anger. That was not okay. I deserve better. Anger is actually progress. It restores boundaries and self-respect. Willingness. I'm open to understanding what this taught me. I want to heal, not just survive. This is the turning point. Healing betrayal without bypassing it. Healing does not mean excusing the betrayer, pretending it didn't matter, rushing into forgiveness. Healing means integrating the truth without letting it define you. Practical steps. 1. Name the rupture honestly. Say, this broke my sense of safety. This changed how I see the world. Truth stabilizes reality. 2. Separate their choice from your worth. Their betrayal reflects their capacity, their values, their unhealed patterns. It is not proof that you are unlovable, naive, or weak. 3. Rebuild perception slowly. Instead of asking, can I trust again? Ask, what does discernment look like now? What signals will I honor moving forward? This shifts you from innocence to wisdom, returning to the question of a friendly universe. After betrayal, choosing to believe in a friendly universe does not mean believing people won't hurt you, believing trust is guaranteed. It means choosing to believe. Truth eventually reveals itself, clarity is an ally, pain can become intelligence. A friendly universe doesn't protect you from all harm. It supports your growth beyond it. From surviving betrayal to thriving after it, survival says, close your heart, stay guarded, expect disappointment. Thriving says, keep your boundaries, trust your perception again, choose relationships consciously. Thriving is not softer, it's wiser. Betrayal may have shattered the version of reality you once lived in, but it also hands you something powerful, the opportunity to rebuild your life based on truth, self-trust, and conscious choice. The universe doesn't become hostile because betrayal happened. It becomes revealing. And what you do with that revelation is where healing truly begins.